Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, higher highs and higher lows, so updates certainly didn't be made here, but pretty crazy to think that not that long ago, this thing was down below $6, and now it's all the way back up above 10. I mean, very nice upwards grind here from the bottom. So like I said, let's get some of the newer levels of support, and then we can talk resistance mapped out. So when the newest levels of support, and what I would call the ideal level, we have to say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above 965. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 965, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very healthy because... very healthy and helpful, because when it comes to just gauging the strength of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are at full strength. That's really the best way to look at it. The trend is at full strength. However, best you can visualize that. But that's why that purple line is helpful. It just makes it very simplistic in terms of gauging just how strong or weak is the actual trend. And as long as the price continues to stay above that level, then the bulls are in full health, full strength. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, let's squeeze down the charter a little bit to continue to bring more perspective. So the next key area of resistance to watch closely, going to be right up there at $10.55. And if the price can break, I'll just leave it at $10.50. And I'm sure if the price gets above there and breaks above it, I'll be back to update the chart then at that point next week. But overall, what matters the most is what the price has been doing, and that's all about building those higher bases. So focus on chipping away and building those higher lows, and just sit back and let the bounce continue to bounce. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.